fresh, creamy, deli-style goodness. Today we're making a deli-style chickpea and artichoke salad that's satisfying and packed with fresh flavor. Let's get started. Simple, wholesome ingredients come together for a fresh, satisfying salad you'll want to make again and again. Start with the mayonnaise, mustard, and lemon juice. Then whisk until smooth and creamy. Now add the chickpeas, artichokes, and fresh vegetables. Then gently fold everything together until well combined. Discover more quick meals in my 10-minute Healthy Meals ebook. The link is in the pinned comment. Serve it in a tortilla wrap, a lettuce wrap, or with crackers, and enjoy easy lunches all week long. Join Yum's Kitchen for free and get exclusive member extras. The links for today's recipe and to join Yum's Kitchen are in the pinned comment. See you next time.